And you? Well, perhaps you're right.
Chicago, rightly called the Windy City, famous for its blizzards, among other things, gets its first blizzard of the year, a freak early December blizzard. A 40-mile-an-hour gale whips along the sheets of blinding snow with overpowering fury, producing North Pole conditions, paralyzing traffic, and causing the deaths of several people through cold and exposure. Next day, Chicago has to dig itself out of a snowfall of 10 inches. Hundreds of cars, half buried in snow, lie temporarily abandoned by their owners. There's one being retrieved, snow and all.